What's up, fellas? I'm back. Brzezicki Brothers Garage. Hope you like what you're seeing. I like what I'm doing. Give you an update. I'm doing some floor pan removal and installing new floor pans, shaving the bay, whole bunch of stuff on Project Coyote Swap. So there we have it. I got the other side done. This side I just started cutting out. Got to drill out some spot welds. This is the passenger floor pan. Got them from LMR. Great place to get a whole bunch of Mustang stuff. Then I gotta work on removing these, drill some spot welds, remove them, weld them on to this floor pan right here. I just finished putting a coat of primer on here. Still gotta do some work, some more sanding and some more priming. But this is what the engine bay is looking like. It's looking pretty good. First coat of primer on it. Primer filler. Hopefully it'll fill in some scratches so I can sand it down again and do another coat and eventually get some paint on it here. The engine bay is looking pretty sweet. This is the other floor pan. You know, welded that up, make it a little stiffer. Then I'm gonna, I got the whole plug kit from LMR too. They make a whole body plug kit where I'm gonna have brand new plugs for all these holes. So there you have it. A little update on the engine bay, the floor pans, and everything else in between. Hope you like, share, and subscribe. Everybody want to see more? I'll be filming more to come. Till next time, next episode. Peace out, everybody.